Welcome to Pro News Flash. Gold has caught a tailwind from stagflation. Let's dive into the latest developments. Gold has touched $4,400 for the first time since early June. The precious metal retreated on anticipation of the release of U.S. inflation data and rumors that the U.S. president favors an economic blockade of Iran over a resumption of hostilities. The first week of August was gold's best since January, after a weak jobs market report. The slowdown in average monthly employment to 44,000 over the last 6 months, coupled with the PCE index exceeding the Fed's 2% target, has secured gold's rapid advance. Such slow job creation typically occurs during recessions and when the Federal Reserve eases monetary policy. Even a potential escalation of the conflict in the Middle East is beginning to work in the precious metals' favor. The rally in Brent crude is increasing the risk that high prices become entrenched in the U.S. economy. The higher oil prices are, the greater the chances of a global crisis. Meanwhile, the U.S. dollar is weakening on expectations that the Fed will keep its rate at the current level during 2026. Citadel Securities cites a reassessment of investors' views on the Federal Reserve's monetary policy as one of the 5 bullish factors for precious metals. The remaining 4 are accelerating central bank bullion purchases, higher speculative positions, rising demand for ETFs, and increased retail investor activity. Another driver of increased traction in gold is the erosion of confidence in central banks and their respective currencies. Coordinated U.S. and Japanese intervention and White House pressure on the Fed are providing a tailwind for gold. Governments are attempting to regulate the market through non-market means. The U.S. administration's attempts to dismiss Lisa Cook and Donald Trump's discussions with Kevin Warsh are causing serious concern among investors. Gold is poised to react sharply to U.S. inflation figures. The slower consumer price growth is, the greater the chances that the metal rally will continue. Stay tuned to Pro News for further updates on developments in the financial markets. Like, share, and subscribe.